A common problem with Taragos is being the seats are high up. The driver's side generally gets a bit of rubbish like that happening. You know, the seat falls apart on the right hand side. But this one's about to be fixed rather than replacing it. 4 bolts and a couple of clips on the side. Couple clips on the side, 4 bolts from the bottom, and a clip on the back, which I can't show you right now. And you can take the bottom completely off, like so. And that there will now get fixed. Hopefully, a really good job. There's the top part of the foam part of the bottom part of the chair is off. There's only easily. I'm going to take it off. And you can see it's pretty well rooted. But along here there's material stitching around the steel piping, or steel I don't know what you call it, steel wire, kind of like clothes hanger wire. Just gonna cut all that off. Once you put it all back together, stitch it through, right through the sponge, like a button stitch, to hold it all back in place. Okay, there's the bottom part of the chair, or the sponging. You can see there's even a part number on there. For the, it says on there the right hand side. Possibly you can buy a complete new sponge, I don't know. But I'm going to fix this one, so I've cut out the bad part there. And I've also got another bit there that I'm going to be using to mould that into that. Keep it as close to the same shape as I can, but a little bit more bigger, so when the stitching goes back on, it's a little bit extra padding there. I'll also be putting a little bit of material or something, leather if possible, over that before the cover goes on, to give it that extra bit of protection so it lasts a bit longer. Okay, there's my sponge, the bottom part of the chair padding. Couldn't find any leather. Probably not a good idea to use leather anyway, considering that it doesn't flex about like material does. I've got a good bit of sturdy cloth here. I've already sprayed the area with contact adhesive. Just sprayed both surfaces of the chair there and the sponge, the cloth, sorry, the sponge and the cloth there. Just going to wait for that to become tacky dry, and then I'm going to stick that cloth onto the chair there to give a bit of extra strength there, so it takes a long time before the part of the chair wears away. And also here I've used a contact adhesive to glue the sponge, replacement sponge on both sides, to stop the 2 sponges from the bottom part of the chair, the replacement part, separating. Sure they probably will over time, but bit of hope, bit of luck they don't.